Hey guys, Mike here with Dexter. We have a broken latch assembly here on our unified or upgraded screen door. We're going to fix that with a kit 990003-01. Everything you need is in this bag for a latch assembly, the bezel, the screws, the strike plate. All we'll need today to replace this is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So let's come down here. There's 3 screws on here that we're going to replace or remove. And for this, all we're going to do is slide it away from the side of the door and it pops right off. Typically you don't have to, but you can replace the bezel with just 2 screws. Just pop them out and put the new one back on. To put the new latch assembly on, you're just going to slide it on, set it on here, and slide it all the way over till you can't go anymore. Just put the 3 screws back in. We don't want these super tight. We're just going to snug them up here. Next, we're going to replace the keeper here. So same thing, we're just going to replace or remove 2 screws. And put the new keeper back on. For this, you can line up the holes that are existing in the door. There are two slots in the keeper, so you can adjust it up or down. Same thing, we don't want to tighten these too much, we just want to snug them up. Make sure that the keeper actually grabs the handle, which it does, we don't have to adjust it. And then you can replace the strike plate if need be, just by taking out the 2 screws and putting on the new one. No adjustment needed. You're just going to butt the strike plate up against the frame and put the 2 new screws right back in. And that's it.